Keeping your contacts safe is crucial. Honor users need an easy way to back up and transfer contacts. Learn how to back up contacts to avoid losing information during device changes or resets. Let's explore efficient methods for saving and restoring contacts. Way 1. How to back up contacts on Honor via Android Backup and Restore safest. Many Honor users prefer a computer-based solution when they want full control over their contact backups. And Mobican Backup Manager for Android, Windows, Mac fits this need well. Quick guide. Install the backup tool and launch it. Connect your Honor phone via USB. Select Contact to back up. Choose a destination and click Backup. Keep the connection stable until the process finishes. Way 2. How to back up contacts on Honor phone via Huawei Cloud. For those who rely on built-in cloud services, Huawei Cloud provides a convenient way to keep Honor contacts protected online. Once synchronization is enabled, contact changes are automatically updated across linked devices. Quick guide. Open Settings, tap Huawei ID or Honor ID, and select Cloud Backup. Enable contacts or tap backup now. Ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection, especially for large backups. Way 3. How to sync contacts on Honor phone via Google Sync. If you already use a Gmail account, Google Sync offers a smooth way to store and manage contacts through your Google profile. After setup, new and edited contacts are uploaded automatically to your account. Quick guide. Open Settings, go to Accounts at Account Google, and sign in. In Contacts, set Google as the default account and enable syncing. Then, go to Settings Google and tap Sync Now to back up your contacts. Way 4. How to back up Honor contacts to SIM card. For users who prefer a simple and device-based solution, saving contacts to a SIM card remains a classic choice. This method does not require internet access or external software. Quick guide. Open Contacts, tap the menu icon, and select Import or Export. Choose Export to SIM, select Contacts, and confirm to back up. Wait for the process to complete.